Hey everyone, welcome to my room tour at the beautiful Sanctuary White Sand Resort in Cayo Cruz, Cuba. I'm staying in a premium class room with a standing pool and ocean views. I hope you enjoy the tour. Let's check it out. As you walk into the room, you're greeted by a full-size body mirror, and there I am. To the left, there's a flat-screen TV and a sleek table featuring some Cuban rum. And beyond that, you'll find the balcony. To the side, there's a well-organized storage area that includes a cozy robe, complimentary iron and ironing board, a safe for your valuables, and extra blanket. The room also features a digital thermostat so you can set the temperature just the way you like it. And here, the king-size bed with plush pillows, super comfy and perfect for a great night's sleep. Alongside the bed, you'll find convenient side tables with decorative lighting. The room is really spacious. In addition to the air conditioning, there's a ceiling fan for extra comfort. There's also a coffee machine, and beneath the bar table is a mini fridge stocked with local beer and bottled water. And you'll find this stylish vanity table. That's me again. Complimentary essentials and extra towels were provided. Just another thoughtful touch. And let's move on to the bathroom. The bathroom is spacious with a walk-in shower featuring a rain shower head, which I really enjoyed. The water pressure was great and it came stocked with shampoo, conditioner, and soap. There's also a separate room for the toilet, which added a nice touch of privacy. Overall, this unit is very roomy and nicely designed. It felt comfortable, relaxing, and had everything I needed for a great stay. And finally, let's step out onto the balcony. It comes furnished with 2 lounge chairs and a small table, perfect for relaxing. From here, you get a stunning view of the resort, a pool view, and an ocean in sight. So beautiful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'll see you in the next video.